My name is Stephanie Tyson. I'm the chef and co-owner of Sweetpotatoes restaurant in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. A chef is supposed to create food and lead the kitchen and make your dining experience good. But for the most part, what you do is you order food, you regulate how it's served, making sure that everything that comes out of the kitchen is safe and delightful. In the beginning, I did not cook at all. I was a theater major. So there's a gazillion theater majors. So I ended up doing what most people in the theater do is you go into the restaurant business. You either wait tables, bartend, or in my case, I waited tables, bartended, managed the restaurant. Eventually, because my first management job, my lead kitchen guy walked out and I had no idea as to what to do. I hated that, so I ended up going to culinary school and finding that I actually liked it and was good at it. From that point on, I pursued cooking. I'm Southern, so I grew up eating sweet potatoes. And so they're very versatile. I incorporated them in the menu a lot. You know, sweet potato fries, sweet potato aioli, of course you have to have sweet potato pie. There's just so much stuff you can do with it. It's now a superfood, I didn't know that either. It's actually been the thing that's been the source of what has made this restaurant popular. So if you like Southern food, if you like sweet potatoes, if you want to have home atmosphere, friendly staff, come to Sweet Potatoes. We're open for dinner and lunch. I think you'll enjoy it. Down home, uptown, Southern.